Guys, welcome to week 2. Can you believe they asked me to do another campaign? I'm so excited. Even though I'm not the world's best cook, last week we learned how to do some things, and I think that's really good because even though I see it online and I think I could do that one day, because this kind of forced me to do it, then I've got some skills sort of there in my head that I can reprocess. And I got the video so I can go through. So let's unpack this week, have a look at the meals, and then go from there. Okay, let's unpack. We'll do the cooler bag last. Alright. Got 2 potatoes, a zucchini, the longest sweet potato I've ever seen. Oh, some green beans, a spring onion that I will never use. Oh no, there's an onion. At least the last one I didn't cry when I chopped it up. I have a little card just talking about some of the options that you have. Don't forget to check out my discount code down below for you to get your own special offer. Put in Frugal at checkout. Some Birnberg tomato chutney. This is a South Australian family farm, so that is awesome. I do love their products. We've got some basmati rice, some panko breadcrumbs, oh, and some more, so I think that's 2 separate meals. Masala seasoning, oh no, spicy. Country seasoning. Pepitas, is that just pumpkin seeds? Pepitas, I've never heard of that in my life. And mint and garlic seasoning. Okay, oh, and a voucher for a natural yogurt place that I've never heard of in my life. Okay. Cooler bag. Oh, chicken breast. The frozen pack. Chicken thigh, beef mince for 2 people, another chicken, freezer, that's not chicken. Oh, look at that, that's so cute. Little yogurt. And some more peas. Alright, that's everything. So let's have a look at the recipes that we have for this week. First up, we have these mini beef meatloafs with mash, and I can tell you right now there will be no peas on hubby's plate. So the final result will look completely different to that. Of course, as I'm cooking our dinner, I need to consider what everyone else is having, so I'm showing you that in full transparency. The boxes that we got, the code that I was given as a social media person was a box for 2 people because when that's what they offered me, and also when I looked at it, I thought most of the stuff my children wouldn't eat anyway. So I was fine for that, just to have meal for hubby and myself, and I could adjust little bits and pieces here and there and then cook something else for the children on the side. So to make the mini meatloafs, I just put the mince in the bowl and some of the seasoning, panko crumbs and an egg, and mixed it all together, and then you just put it into 2 little meatloaf shapes. Mine are not the very best shape, but hey, it all works out in the end. So these cook in the oven for 20 minutes. So at the same time, I'm going to cook the children's chicken tenders and chicken nuggets. And then next we need to make an onion gravy, which this was a total disaster. I could not understand their instructions or figure it out. I'm sure this is what it's sort of meant to look like, but it just tasted terrible. It's very floury. I know you meant to cook the flour off. I couldn't figure it out. Trying to add in a little bit of the water, it was a nightmare. So I just left it. I've made the mash, and here I am picking out peas from the veggie medley and then serving it all up. And so you can see my plate with the peas, hubby's there. So of course I just made my plate up as per the video so I could do a photo for their promos to send it in, and then I just ended up making my own gravy. Taste test. That's really good. So the next night my computer or my laptop decides that it's going to reset itself. So I had to wait for that to finish because of course I use both phones for recording, so I couldn't just look it up on my phone. We're going to be cooking this tandoori chicken. Again, mine looks nothing like the picture because we don't eat zucchini like that. So this is definitely one of those that is not going to make it into the TikTok reel of check out the meals that we've had. So we've just put the zucchini and the spring onion to the side, and we're going to have to chop and change a little bit around. Again, I need to cook for the family as well as ourselves. So we've got the rice cooker there to cook a whole lot of rice, and I'm going to cook our veggies, and we'll make like the stir fry rice that I make just without all of the soy sauce and everything else. And we're going to put the chutney into a bowl with the yogurt that's there, mix it all around. I think I should have added in more of the tandoori spice, and it doesn't brown up as well as the picture. And as my hubby said, you probably should have had the pan on really hot and then thrown it in so it sort of seared the chicken. So yeah, did manage to read ahead where it says keep some sauce left over, but that was a dish that I personally didn't really enjoy anyway. The last dish we have, it's called Cheats Chicken, which says it's approved for children but it's just me and hubby. But my daughter said that she really enjoys this. So it's chicken covered one side with panko breadcrumbs. And so, as I said again, I need to feed everyone. So I'm making some mini roast potatoes and some mini roast veggies. I get the chicken, I put some garlic aioli on it, then I roll it into the panko breadcrumbs. I've got the green beans there for myself. And yeah, the rest. There's a separate video up on my channel if you wish to follow along, and you can cook this for yourself. So here is all that plated up. Again, looks different from the picture, but oh well. But it's a family favorite now, so it'll be going on the list. Yeah, so that was week 2. So some hits and some misses, but it is what it is. We've learnt a lot. So thank you so much for joining with me this week. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.